Once again, welcome all of you in this continue of Prezi presentation. How to create our beautiful presentation by using the application of Prezi platform. Okay, just we will move ahead. The remaining for getting the process, how we actually use it. Okay, in this regard there are many options has been provided on this platform. Okay, and in the left side it is a symbol of Prezi, and what you can do within this Prezi, all projects you can do, whatever you have done, the all projects will be stored here, and below it, Prezi video, Prezi design, Prezi present, uh, these facilities are provided to us. Okay, and here is a library. Okay, you can create your folder for preserve or storing the your projects or your whatever works has made here, that you can preserve here. Okay, you can see that, look at here, already templates has been provided by this platform. You can edit within it also, or you can create new one also. Okay, as per your wish, you can uh, create here. Okay, here is given unlock features. Okay, I don't know, uh, just stay for your free trial. Okay, just here has came the problems. I think that my period is over, and that's why this facility not available to me. But you can create from here. Okay, in this language you can choose here. Okay? And just I will show you my old presentations. Okay, all projects. Just I will click here present. Okay, what you have to do, just suppose if you want to become your PPT. Okay, PowerPoint presentation within it, create from template, start from scratch, or convert PowerPoint. These facilities are available to you. Okay, just I am going where Prezi present. Okay, uh, I will suppose try to create my PPT by using the template. Okay, I will edit it, and I can uh, create my new PPT also. Okay, there are lot of different type of templates has been given here. You can look, it is a amazing, what you can say, treasure of the presentation domain, and you can choose one of them. Okay, you can select any your interesting color and whatever it may be. Okay, suppose I would like to create my presentation by using this template. Okay, this is going on process. After finishing this process, the presentation template will be made available to me, and after that I will create my presentation here. Okay, I can give title also to this presentation. Okay, presentation 1, suppose presentation 1, this is the title to my presentation. Anyone on the web can share. Okay, I will give these options, permissions to uh, see my presentation to everyone. Okay, uh, and then I will continue. Just look at here, just a moment. This process is going on. After that, I have to create my presentation with better manner, and it is really very good platforms. Okay, just I will edit here. Okay, you can choose the symbol. Okay, just I will click here and I will delete here. Okay, I can move wherever I want. Okay, and suppose I'm creating here my presentation. What will I do here? Just I will click here and write my name. Okay, I call it name Raja Sripatrao Bhagwantrao Mahavidyalaya and okay. This is I can enlarge okay as per my requirement. Then I will bold it. Okay, I can reduce my size. Okay, here as minus button, here as plus button. I can change my style. Okay, presentation style, how I want. Okay, I can insert any image, text. Okay, suppose uh, I would like to insert my any image regarding it. Okay, ICT related. Okay, and just I will search it. Okay, just wait. I don't know what happened here, but remaining parts we will continue. Okay, it appear. Okay, I don't need. Just I will close here. Okay, this facility is not available because it is a what you can say. It is a trial version actually. Okay, and suppose this title I want to take here or center or in one side. I can uh, remove it. I can circulate it. Okay. Uh, After that, I can share this my presentation from here. Okay, and first step, I will go to start my presentation. Okay, aims. Okay, aims and objectives of presentation. Okay, okay, I will enlarge to this. Okay, and if there is any spelling mistake, I can clear it. Okay, then step two, I can put something here. Okay, meaning meaning and definition of ICT. Okay, suppose I want to uh, present my presentation. Okay, this way I can write down here. Okay, then pros, merits of presentation, ICT, Okay, again I will select it. I can decrease font size, and fourth step is, okay, I can edit here. uh, I can type here, what can I say, conclusion. Okay, suppose I have to write conclusion, c CONCLU. In this way, I can create my presentation. Okay, you can look here. Uh, Four steps I have created within it. Okay, and in this way, your presentation will be make beautiful. Okay, after that, the remaining parts we will discuss in next video. Still, it will stop here.